Thanks for taking the time to look at my short video clip. My name's Jon Dexter. This is Dexters of Leicester. We're easy to find on the main mountain road. This is for Jack and Scott. Two customers interested in the M140. Just 4 previous owners. It's in great shape. We've got a good service history. Got some great carbon details on. I'll show you all around that. It's on Michelin Pilot Sport, matching tyres, both sets of keys. Leather's in great shape. It's got the widescreen navigation with the apps, which is one of the latest softwares, and the engine looks standard, but it drives superb. I'm going to start it up as well because I love the sound of these when you start them up. Amazing car. Let's just show you around it. I'll stop waffling. So I'm going to take you through my small prep bay, past the S2000. There's the 996, but the star of the show is the 2016. It really does look good. It's got the light pack as well. It's got the light pack. It's got a recent new set of brakes, Michelin Pilot Sports. It gets the 245s on the back and the diffuser on the rear as well. Looks like that's been added. Got some nice pipes on there as well. Some small marks there, but we might just be able to get them polished. Black detailing, black badges, got the dark windows, but the paintwork is lovely. It's got the tinted, not too dark, but they're good, they are. Does look nice. Got a little bit of touch up just to do there, but it's been loved. So that does look superb. The adaptive LED lighting. We've got the black grille, and then we've got the blue bars through there as well. We're on Stratstone number plates. Might get a new number plate because that looks like it's been, but that's the original number plate, so that's quite nice to see the originals. So it really does look good. No stone chips, no major chips on the bonnet. That all looks really good. We've got the M Sport mirror caps as well, and inside it doesn't disappoint. We've got the folding mirrors, and we've got some carbon, which really does look like the genuine stuff. Some carbon inserts. We've got the pedal inserts as well, so it's really been loved. We've got the blue start button matching the blue highlight sports gearbox, and that interior really does look good. Let's just show you the rear as well. It doesn't look as though there's many people been in there. Roof lining's nice and neat, and it looks spot on. That's where you'd expect the wear to be, and actually that's really nice. So let's just start it up and just see what it sounds.